Are you planning to get into an IIM through CAT but wondering how much it's going to cost? In this video, we are breaking down the complete MBA fee structure of IIMs, why the fees are so high, and how the students usually manage to pay them, including loan options and repayment timelines. There are currently 21 IIMs across India categorized as old, new, and baby IIMs. The oldest and the most prestigious IIMs are IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, Kozhikode, and Indore. Usually, these are known as the Blackie. Every IIM sets its own fee structure and it varies depending on the institution's ranking, infrastructure, and brand value. Here is a quick look at the MBA fees 2025 intake for some of the top IIMs. You can see it on your screen. The maximum being for IIM Ahmedabad around 25 to 28 lakhs, and lowest being IIM Indore and Lucknow of around 21 to 23 lakhs when we just talk about the Blackie IIMs. New IIMs like Udaipur, Trichy, Raipur, they have fees of somewhere around 16 to 20 lakhs. So yes, the cost is significant, but let's break down why. There are three main reasons why IIM fees are really high. One, world-class faculty and infrastructure matching global B schools. Second would be live projects, exchange programs, and top-tier placements require heavy investment. You would have seen that IIMs में काफी बच्चे बाहर जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए. They have tie-ups with different institutions. Their live projects at some amazing companies. The faculty, they are the industry experts, and most of them are working at the top companies. So this requires a heavy investment, which is why the fees are so high. But here's the good news. Almost every student takes an education loan, and banks are happy to provide it due to IIM's reputation. Top banks like SBI, HDFC, and Axis offer education loans up to 40 lakhs with little or no collateral for IIM students. The best part, you don't even have to start repaying until you get done with your IIM. Now let's talk about repayment. With an average package of around 25 to 35 lakhs in top IIMs, most students are able to repay their loans in 2 to 4 years. Even from newer IIMs with salaries in the bracket of 12 to 20 lakhs, loan repayment is quite manageable. So yes, the fees are high, but so is the return on investment. You're not just paying for a degree, you're investing in a lifetime growth of career. Want more personalized help or want to interact with students just like you? Join our WhatsApp group now. The link is in the description. You can also reach out to us via phone number or our Instagram page, which is again mentioned in the description. We'll help you guide through the CAT preparation, IIM admission, everything in between. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you, guys.